Hi, let's see market performance on a weekly basis. If you can see, it started on $304. It went high till $362 and then came back, slashing down on Jan 12th when it opened, and on Jan 13th again it went down. So the last 2 days of the week was a loss. I'm still holding calendar spreads on the call side and the put side. QQQ on the call side, calendar spread, I am on a loss of $19. I bought it at 1.03. On the put side, I bought it at 1.29 and I am on a loss of $65. So after Wednesday, there was not much movement, like a range bound movement on the QQQ. So it was, if you see the QQQ value, till Wednesday, it was on 277 on a 2.5% increase, 277. After that, it was almost like a range bound. Option range is 295 and 255, around $40 range. So that also can be the reason of this decay. Hopefully, there will be a huge change in the market next week and I can close whatever it's on the profit. Overall, I could see 93 percentage loss, weekly basis 11 percentage loss. That's update for this week. We'll see you on the next week. Thank you.